conveying the meaning through body movements is known as Angika Abhinay. Mundari dance of Munda tribe is associated with Jharkhand. Tapu dance performed by Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Chali, Jumura and Nadu Bhangi, a form of Satriya classical dance. Dhimsa folk dance is performed by Poha tribes of Araku Valley, Andhra Pradesh. Kandyan is a traditional dance form of Sri Lanka. Tripani, Hado, Mayor Ras, Palli Jug. Gabo are folk dances of Gujarat. Kathak dance is associated with Hindustani classical music. Gair folk dance is performed by Bhil community in the state of Rajasthan. Nat is the traditional singing style, which is associated with Manipuri dance. Ras, Sankatana and Thangta are the popular forms of Manipuri dance. The earliest form of Manipuri dance is Lai Harauba, Dolu Kunitha, Bhuta and Balakit. Dances are associated with state of Karnataka. Drums are adorned with colorful clothes in the dance of Dolu Kunitha. Lahu dance is performed by Jaintia tribe of Meghalaya. Paka dance is performed by Munda tribe in the region of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chavittu Kali dance is associated with the state of Kerala. Gugga folk dance is performed by men in Haryana. Tevatichiyattam, Nangi Natakaman, Dasiyattam are the forms of Mohiniyattam dance. Garba, Dandiya Ras, Tippani Jurian. Dances are popular in state of Gujarat. Sarhul, festival of dance performed in Jharkhand by Oraon tribe. Jagoi and Thabal Chongba are the famous dances of Manipur. Saraikela Chhau is a popular dance form of Jharkhand. Ghurehi folk dance is performed by women in the region of Himachal Pradesh. The Chari folk dance is primarily performed by women in Rajasthan. Kamsail is the folk dance of Karnataka. Padaini folk dance performed at Bhadrakali temple in Kerala. The bamboo dance of Mizoram is called Chero dance. The princely states was primarily associated with Kathak Awadh. The Pakhavaj syllables are used to conclude the classical dance of Odissi. The dance that features painted masks, big skirts, heavy jackets, lots of jewelry and tall headdresses is Kathakali. The dance where dancers form a counterclockwise circle with concentric circles in opposite directions. Garba dance. Kuchipudi, a Yakshagana style conceived by Siddhendra Yogi in 17th century. The number of Indian classical dance forms recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy of India is 8. Jijia dance is performed to please the god of rain, Indra, for good rain and crop, in Bihar. The tribe who performs the Bagurumba folk dance in Assam Bodo tribe. Gridda folk dance is performed in Madhya Pradesh. Gonf is a famous folk dance of Goa. Kood, a folk dance, is associated with Jammu and Kashmir. Changlo tribal dance is performed by the Chang tribe of Nagaland. Gunakanta Datta Bobayan was awarded the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in Satriya dance. Fagdi dances is performed in Goa. Tashi Sabdo dance is associated with Sikkim. Agni, Mardana Jhumar, Fagwa dances are associated with Jharkhand. Koli is the folk dance of Maharashtra and Goa. The folk dance Lamdi is associated with Andhra Pradesh. Chufat is a folk dance of Sikkim.